months back, we met in Spain for an interview. You said very categorically, whichever project you would be in, you want to make sure that you are also in the poster like the other actors, and they should not take Indian actors for granted. In the beginning, हमने आपके जो interviews देखे जो West में लिए गए थे, we thought the anchors were being a little arrogant because they did not have an idea about you or our country, India. But of late, they have warmed up to us, the country, the Indians. Have they really warmed up to the color brown? Can you tell us by instances how their notions and perceptions about India have been broken?
Okay, so you've asked 3 questions in one, huh? Now let me answer one by one if I've understood. You can't be so entitled, and us also as the Hindi film industry. हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि अच्छा हम तो इंडिया में स्टार हैं तो हर कंट्री में होना चाहिए. Not cool. वहाँ मतलब you know different people are different celebrities in different countries. So I never expected that. I am okay walking into a room saying hi, I'm Priyanka Chopra and I'm an Indian actor. मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ एंड उसमें कोई छोटी बात नहीं है. हमारे अचीवमेंट्स बहुत बड़े हैं. सो स्लोली ऑफ कोर्स nobody had seen my work that time. Quantico had just come out. I never thought they were mean, except for a few people, and I know who you're talking about. But I don't think anyone was mean. I think the American press has been wonderfully accepting of me. In fact, I haven't seen them being like this to a lot of Indian actors. I mean, if you think about it, they're wonderful with me. They are so friendly, so loving, so encouraging for someone like me. So I don't know, I can't say about brown skin, and I can't generalize, but I definitely think that's my endeavor. We are 1/5 of the world's population. तो हमारा representation international cinema में, global cinema में, global entertainment में बहुत जायज़ है, होना चाहिए, and that is on us. We have to make sure that we are good enough and we put ourselves out there and say कि मैं अपने character के ऊपर I'm going to pay attention and I'm going to work on it because I know how to do it. मैं काफ़ी prolific film industry से आई हूँ, so I don't feel small when I walk in. And I think, yeah, it takes a while to introduce. Whenever somebody comes here new, जब मेरी पहली फिल्म में आई थी तब आप लोग भी तो नहीं जानते थे मुझे. You also warmed up to me after a while, so it's just natural, I think.
Representing India as well as Bollywood, actually in Hollywood. तो anything like when you
और भी लोग हैं यार वहाँ पे.
नहीं पर हम अभी फिलहाल के लिए actually in the recent time. तो any conscious effort from your side, like you know you're trying to represent Bollywood. तो ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो खास ध्यान में रखते, जैसे आपने कहा कि अभी स्लो मोशन आपने उनको सिखाया, तो ऐसी कोई
मतलब मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, ऐसे कोई
सीरियसली नहीं, क्लास नहीं दी थी मैंने. नहीं मैं yes, it's a good question actually because I do want to address it. एक बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप होता है हमारी फिल्मों को लेकर और इंडियंस को लेकर इंटरनेशनली, वेस्ट में, सिर्फ अमेरिका में नहीं, वेस्ट में भी, जो हम सब ने शायद एक्सपीरियंस किया हो, सुना होगा. You know कि क्या हमारे रोड्स पे एलिफेंट्स चलते हैं कि नहीं, हम लोग इंग्लिश अच्छे से कैसे बोलते हैं, you know things like that. कि all our films, you know हमारी फिल्में just random break out into song and dance होती हैं, suddenly dancer कहाँ से आ जाते हैं. So there's a lack of understanding. So what is conscious from my end is whenever I walk onto a set, I want them to know that I'm an actor who knows my job. I want them, like I want people to never question कि मार्क पे कैसे खड़ा होना था. मुझे अपना काम बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है और वो मुझे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने सिखाया है. So in that way, if I do good work and people work with me, then the representation of everything that I have learned by the Hindi film industry and the directors that I have worked with, तो वो correct होता है. तो वो I try and do right. I try to play characters जैसे Alex Victoria से बहुत अलग होगी, just like I've done in my Hindi films as well. And second of all, I think I always try and explain to people कि हमारा जो कल्चर होता है ना, हमको गाना बजाना तो बचपन से ही होता है. बच्चा पैदा होता है तो हम डांस करते हैं, बर्थडे होता है हम डांस करते हैं, अगर अभी म्यूजिक बजाते तो अभी भी हम लोग डांस कर लेंगे, आप लोग भी और मैं भी. तो यू नो हमारी कहानियाँ जो होती हैं, दे आर टोल्ड बाय म्यूजिक. दैट इज़ अ वे ऑफ टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. इंस्टेड ऑफ अ सीन वी हैव अ सॉन्ग. And so I try and explain to people that it's a cultural difference. But besides that, I think it's really cool that now that people have gotten to know me, जो मेरे show को भी देखते हैं, उन्होंने कितनी सारी मेरी हिंदी फिल्में देखी हैं, and people like write to me and talk to me about the first time they've watched like Baji Rao Mastani or Barfi, and it's really so much fun for me to have that sort of cultural exchange.